polishing your ceramics after you adjust them? No? Bad dentist. It's a very bad dentist. And if you are, good dentist. You may have been a little overwhelmed with all of the options that are out there. Let's learn a little bit about why you should be polishing ceramics and how to get it done. So what can happen if a dentist skips a step of polishing their all-ceramic restoration?
Well, what we've seen that could happen is that you end up getting sometimes a microfracturing of the surfaces, and you're also having a possible issue of the abrasion of the natural dentition to the adjacent teeth.
Right, the opposing tooth. You have a roughened surface, and so that opposing natural
Absolutely,
tooth.
But you have to also remember one thing, that with extreme cases, you also have the opportunity and the possibility of having complete failure of that crown.
Right, because you've introduced cracks. That's a weak point for that crown.
Exactly.
So dentists, I would imagine, are skipping this step because of time, because they don't want to have all these different polishing cups to use for the right ceramic. So tell me about the Jiffy system and how that helps solve that.
Finishing is an extremely important step in the process with these high ceramics because of the strength of them. You really have to make sure you're getting a strong polish on these.
Tell me about polishing versus like a glaze.
Okay, well definitely Ultradent is a huge proponent in polishing versus glaze. The reason being is that with polishes they actually last longer. Certain studies have shown from Dr. Christensen and Dental World that these glazes actually don't tend to last as long, and they can start wearing after about that 6-month time frame.
Oh wow, and the polish will last a lot longer.
It will last a lot longer.
So dentists are probably skipping this step because of time, or because they think I have so many different polishers, I have to use it against the right ceramic. Can you tell me about how the Jiffy system addresses that?
Well, the Jiffy system is absolutely amazing, and part of the reason why it does all those things is you have to remember we have a universal system with the Jiffy. There's a lot of other products out there, and what happens sometimes is you need something for lithium disilicate, you need a special product for zirconia, so all of a sudden your office has all these different kits all over the place. We have the one-stop shop with the Jiffy system, and what we're able to do is give you the proper finish on all of these, including zirconia, and have excellent finish and polish to them. And you start with our proprietary grits, and you go step down, and you're going to have a perfect polish for all of those.
Lithium disilicate, zirconia, feldspathic porcelain if you're still doing an old PFM.
Everything. And I know people are a little bit concerned because the zirconia crowns are so strong, but these work wonderful on them. Absolutely wonderful. And we have intraoral kits and the extraoral kit in that particular stage, but we also do offer the new natural kit as well. And with the natural kit, what you're getting is something that is going to be able to fan out and get into those occlusal surfaces that are so difficult to get into with the other polishers.
Sure.
I mean, this kit is great, but what you want to do is use it in conjunction together to get that excellent polish. And see how these flare? You can easily get in those occlusal surfaces and those tough to reach areas that the other polishers aren't able to do. And that's where these really shine.
That's great.
Is the new Jiffy Naturals.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Thanks for having me. We appreciate it.